In this tutorial, we'll learn how to organize workbooks and folders in the catalog of Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. I want to organize workbooks that I have created to help me find and manage them quickly and easily. I'll begin on the home page, select Navigator, then Catalog to view the workbooks that I want to organize. By default, I can see my workbooks sorted by when they were last modified in my folders. As a workbook author, I can create folders and subfolders in my folders and in shared folders if I have read-write access to the shared folder. To do this, I'll click the menu icon and select Create Folder. I'll enter a descriptive name for my folder and then click Create. Now I can select the workbooks to add to the new folder. I can select workbooks individually or multi-select by holding down the Control key on a PC or Command on a Mac. I notice the number of selected workbooks displayed. Once I have my workbooks selected, I'll click on the Move button to select the folder that I created and click OK. Now I'll check the contents of my folder. From here, I can create subfolders. I'll repeat the process of clicking Menu and then the Create folder. I'll enter a folder name and select Create. Once this is complete, I can go back to the top-level folder to search for and add my workbooks. This time, I'll simply select and drag these workbooks to the subfolder. I can continue to organize and arrange my workbooks into folders and subfolders as needed. If I want to move items into shared folders, I need to ensure that I have access to do so or request access from an administrator. For example, I can create subfolders and move items in the collaboration folder because I have read-write access to this shared folder. Now my workbooks are easier to find in the appropriate folders. Find additional videos and more resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence resources in the links below.